How to change profile video on TikTok. Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app in your phone. Now we are going to know that how to change profile video on TikTok. You have to open the app. This type of screen will appear here in front of you. At the bottom, there are different options like home, friends, plus, inbox, and the profile. Click on the profile option. This type of screen will appear here. Before changing your profile photo, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Click on this option, that is edit profile. Click on the edit profile and you can see here there is the option of change video or upload video. You have to select any of the video and save it, and when you have to save it, that video in your profile will be uploaded. Thank you so much, that was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.